Welcome to Easy Forms, the full-feature, easy-to-use online form builder tool that arrives to change the game. Allow yourself to create forms like a pro in the easiest and fastest way, even without any programming skills. Whether you want to create engaging contact forms, accept online payments by using conditional logic, or maybe design attractive quizzes and surveys. Everything is possible with Easy Forms. To get started, you can create your first contact form just by clicking here. Or try something more by going to the Form Manager and clicking on the drop-down menu to choose between more options. How about a job application form? You can also create a form from scratch by selecting Create New Form, to be taken to the form builder, where after giving your form a name, you can click or drag and drop fields to create the form that matches your exact requirements. At your left, you can see all the fields options you can add to your form in the order and layout of your choice. And at your right, you can find the field settings, where you can change labels, add descriptions, set fields as required, and much more. Once you finish and feel happy with your form, save the changes and get ready to set up your email notifications, publish and share it, or be taken back to the Form Manager to open your form and check that everything works the way you intended. With Easy Forms, you can also use the Rule Builder to add conditional logic to your forms without using a single line of code. Create as many rules, conditions, sub-conditions, and actions as you need to give your users the best experience. Then visualize your form data by using the Report Builder to create your own custom report with as many charts as fields in your form. And finally, get the best result from your forms with Form Analytics. Learn from your users by collecting data like unique views, abandonment rate, and much more, just to improve your conversion rate. The Easy Forms team is here to support you on every step on your form building journey. So, what are you waiting for to get started with our free demo and get your license to see why Easy Forms is the form builder for you?